So my newest project is helping a friend with his old YJ Jeep. So I'm starting the video a little late. You can see the front end is off and the engine is coming out, and I will show you why. Because this is part of the cam, and not only that, it decided to exit through the block right there. So it's foobar, it's coming out. We've got a lot of the wiring harness stuff removed. So the plan is now to go to an LS. That's just an excellent engine. The AMC straight six is not one of my favorite engines. So there'll be a lot of mods, a lot of upgrades, a lot of suspension stuff, while we're at it. Differential work, transmission, transfer case, things like that. And I'll have some updates periodically, but this is my next big project, is helping my friend on his project. So I come out every couple weeks and help him, so the progress that you see is going to be kind of chunky, but you can see that the engine is out. Well, let me show you. Speaking of engines, so this is the agricultural lump. I do not like the AMC straight six, and you can see the new custom vented hole there, but look, in the oil pan there's more. On the other side you can see a hole in the block, and the cam came out. This thing has serious problems. But over here now we have a nice open area to work with. He's got a 5.3 LS V8, but now that's going to come apart. We're going to have to rebuild that before it goes into the Jeep. But in the meantime, he's been cleaning a lot, and then he's getting ready to do some more cleaning on the frame rails and undercoating and stuff like that. Eventually we'll get into upgraded differentials, transmission, transfer case and stuff, but as it is now, this is the status of the YJ. So this is the 5.3 liter V8, the LS, iron block, which would be fine for a Jeep. It'll get rebuilt. Now it's being cleaned before it comes apart. Alright, the LS is going. Looking good. There it is. So then, after it's rebuilt, this will go there.